Okay, so I got a problem. Maybe y'all can help me out. Some of my plants are flowering already. This is a green dragon cucumber, and it's so small, and it's already flowering. Um, I had already pulled off some little flower buds off my peppers, but is that the right thing to do? And why is everything flowering so soon when they're still so small? See, like this pepper plant right here is making little buds for flowers. Um, Look at this one right here. This, I think, is a squash. I'm not sure which squash it is, but it's already making little squashes. Look at that. That's crazy. It's too early. They're so small. And I do got some pest pressure going on here because I'm looking at I think this is cabbage. Got holes all in it. So yeah, maybe y'all can help me out with this situation because I'm not sure why everything is flowering so fast, so early in the season. Help me out here.